Assembly instructions for the GC110 BAVARIA 2 gastronomic display case. Unscrew the top panel of the package. Unscrew the side panels of the package. Unscrew the front and the back panels of the package. Warning! There are the front window, decorative panel, protective bumper, a window stop on the display case. Remove the display pallets from the rack. Remove the air duct grill. Unscrew the M12 bolts, 4 pieces. Screw in the adjustable M12 supports, 4 pieces. Remove the cabinet from the pallet and align it with the adjustable supports. Install the side racks with the M6 socket head screws, 2 pieces per rack. Tighten the racks to the frame using 6 mm washers, 2 pieces, and M6 to 12 bolts, 1 piece per rack. Tighten the racks to the side panels with 4 to 16 self-tapping screws, 1 piece per rack. Install the decorative panel holders using 4 to 16 self-tapping screws. Install the front decorative panel. Install the window stop. Fasten the decorative panel with 4 to 16 self-tapping screws. Install the air duct grill, having fixed it to the box, with 4 to 16 self-tapping screws. Install the pallets, having removed the protective film beforehand. Attach the shelf brackets to the racks with M6 to 16 combi screws, 4 pieces, having removed the protective film beforehand. Install the glass holders to the racks with 4 to 16 self-tapping screws, 2 pieces, having removed the protective film beforehand. Warning! Do not tighten the self-tapping screws completely. Install the luminaire, having removed the protective film beforehand. Tighten the 4 to 16 self-tapping screws on the luminaire all the way. Insert the connector into the luminaire. Install the side windows. Install the protective cover on the luminaire wire, having removed the protective film beforehand. Install the shelf inside the cabinet. Install the front window. Install the profile under the sashes with the double-sided tape, having removed the protective film beforehand. Install the top window. Install the sashes, having removed the protective film beforehand. Install the bumper holder with 4 to 32 self-tapping screws. Install the bumper using 4 to 16 self-tapping screws. The GC110 BAVARIA 2 gastronomic display case now is ready for use.